Hello everybody. So oh my gosh, it's a very far trip today. So I'm driving from SM Bacolod because I returned some items I returned some items that I purchased last week. Then it's very good because they're very accommodating. And then for now, help me take off my shoes that I'm wearing. So honestly, I changed my outfit today. So okay, so this is the shoes that I'm wearing for my driving, and the other one is this one. This is my nails. So let's take off first this one. And I think I will continue to drive barefoot driving. So again, another shoes to take off. What I really love my feet is it looks fresh now. Sometimes it looks so haggard. So this is my nail colors. It's black today, and next time I'm gonna change it to blue. So bluer than blue. So blue as my outfit now, but then my nails is black. So next is I'm going to take this off. This is one of my favorite shoes to wear because it's very handy for walking and it's not painful for the feet. So I have two of this one, and I'm gonna take this off. It's not painful and it's very comfortable. So sometimes when I wear dress, I'm still wearing like this. So I have some heels, but I always walk for my comfort. And for my custom video, I have some shoes that I'm wearing differently, and you can pick in my closet. So for now is I'm gonna take this off, and I still have the black nail polish. So my feet looks fresh today. So this is the nail polish that I have, but next time I'm going to do the blue, and I will put an accent in the middle, and also in my fingernails. It's removed now. Usually I use the good quality of nail colors, and it takes time to remove. So this time I use the soft gel. Still kind of same quality, but then good quality, but it's easy to remove, so I can always change nail polish in the house. Nail colors, so I call it nail colors, guys. So that's all for now, and I hope you enjoy our short vlog today. So I will also upload some driving videos to my Patreon, and also membership to my channel. You can also join me to level 3. So that's all for now, and again, see you next vlog. Bye everyone.